Welcome to BickdUp. Today we're gonna be working on Casper, and we're gonna try to get rid of all the rust. Like I was saying, we're gonna be getting rid of all the rust on Casper today before we can put the 22B kit on. And we have a celebrity guest. This is Sam, you met her in the last video. She came up with a great idea. She brought lots of alcohol.
Oh God, you make me sound bad.
So we're gonna be doing how many shots it takes to remove all the rust from my car before we do the 22B kit. Are we allowed to operate power tools? Yes. Yes, shots there, shots of water. Okay, we're not using that. Okay, we need grinding wheels.
I have grinding wheels in my car.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
Nice. That would be sick. Yeah. Celebrity guest number 2.
Behind door number 2. Hello there, dog.
So, from what I can see right now, we got rust here. I already cut some off here, and it looks pretty bad right there. And maybe some right there, 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 and some right there. And right here.
Right there.
Right. Oh, one right there.
Right there. Yeah.
Right there, and right there, and right there, and right there, and probably in there,
Right here.
and right there, and there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, and right there, and right there, and right there. Right there,
Oh no!
and right there, and
At that point, you just might as well buy a whole.
don't say that! Okay, rules of the shot game. Since it's shots and not beers. Don't steal my goddamn ideas though, okay? That's my idea, I'm doing it later. But we're doing shots today, so every hour, every half hour.
Every time.
Oh shit, we're getting crazy. Okay, so every half hour that we work on it, shot. Every time we run into problems, shot. Every time we get frustrated, shot. Better not get frustrated. Once we get the rust and stuff removed, we can start mocking the kit up. Actually, we can mock the kit up today. I just have to remove this window somehow. Hammer. And this, we put these on there to make wider for kids, yes. And we actually have to cut this off the support pillar to see if there's any rust behind here. Unless you guys can see in there, which you can't. Silly. And now it's time for one of these because we've been slacking. She had all this in her car. That means she has to do work too. Work time. Damn, boy.
She brat.
All right, homies, we just got done getting set up, and I think it's time for another shot already, but I'm gonna see what this bad boy can do real quick on this, see if we can cut it off or not.
Hi.
Hi.
It looks like you should just be cutting that out.
I don't know what the fuck all this is, but it's not metal.
You should be fingering that when it's all hot.
And sharp and stuff?
Yeah.
Probably
Without
not.
gloves.
I don't know what this is or what somebody did, but it makes me want another shot.
Safety is important. You can't hear titties.
That's so true. All right, so Sam's on the inside. She can take out these, and we're gonna need to do that for the, when we get the
Nice
receipt
angle.
bleed in there
Can't see
too.
shit in the dark.
She can see, that's all that's important. Up.
I got a little one. Sorry, I mean an average size one.
Oh, I was gonna be cool and give you like a pry tool, like an actual one for those. I don't know where it is.
Guys, do I look so hot? Good work. Hey, how are you?
Oh, yeah. I got free manual labor.
Yay.
You got a lot of rust in here, by the way.
Why did you say that?
So, that
Yeah, look
hole
at all
there.
that.
Yeah.
Look right there, too.
Oh no, that's actually really bad. So that hole there in my strut tower, I had the strut come out of the thing and just burst through there. That's why there's a hole and rust there. So it looks like this rust spot was one of the ones she was pointing out that goes through. So that's not good. I'm gonna have to cut that out and do a whole patch panel. I don't know, I'm sounding pretty sober right now though. Ooh, it's not even time for another shot yet, and I'm having fun still. So it means it's not time for a frustration shot either.
How's that for 3D effect?
Wait, what to do?
If you're feeling real confident, you can do this. You see how I cut this whole panel off?
Yeah.
You could do that on the other side. You wanna do it?
If you drop me a line, sure.
Okay. So Sam got this panel out on the inside now. So I want to take another moment to explain what's going on here. Even though I have before in the past, you see how here there's a gap in between the fender skins. That's because when I was in college, I wanted to put wide body fender flares on. I didn't have a welder at the time, so I just cut the two skins apart and tried to spray foam it like an idiot. And I left that gap there for a few years. And so that's why I'm cutting that outer skin off, is to make sure there's no rust in here. And Sam said earlier, it's kind of surprising that there's not. So is it worth doing this? I don't know, but for peace of mind, it is to me. And so that's why we are doing that before putting the wide body kit on, just to make sure there's nothing trying to kill the car forever, cancer-wise. And yeah, it is shot time though. Okay, so we took a shot, and then we took a mixie, and then I think we took another shot, and then I drew her line, and she's gonna cut it.
I found a cutting wheel.
She found a cutting wheel. Fireball!
Fireball.
Fireball was not involved, but way worse, black velvet. Fire extinguisher!
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, it's all getting fucked, everything's fucked up! Everything's going to shit!
This is a terrible idea.
This is a great idea. Fireball! Car get dead. Yes. And follow the lines, just like in high school.
What's that even? You're terrible. Are you gonna sit there and record me?
Yes.
No!
I'm done now.
Yeah, you're done. No more for you.
Hey guys, I forgot to mention, because this video has special terms, was that how you would say that? Special rules and terms to it, like the drinking thing. This isn't gonna be it's gonna be an extended process. So it's not all gonna get done in this video. This video is gonna be a one-day recording, unlike my last one that lasted up to it was like 5 months long of recording. So we're recording tonight, getting as much done as we can while taking shots.
Not going very well.
And it's not going, we got some stuff. She got more stuff done than I did. You're gonna put that on?
But I don't want sparks.
You ain't gonna see fucking shit out of this thing.
It's got a riding mode.
You ain't gonna see fucking shit out of this thing.
Stand up.
She's been drinking and she's gonna wear a welding helmet to cut my panel off.
I'm gonna cut your fucking dick off.
Ah! Not my fucking dick off.
You're getting circumcised.
No! Fake news. This is not even true. That's getting cut out. It's not even true. It's not even true, guys. Okay. Anyways, what I was saying is this video is gonna be a tonight only recording because of the special occasion drinking, taking shots during the thing, because the next time I work on this, I'm gonna be sober and get the rest of it done.
I don't want to do this. I'm scared of it.
Dude, that's too damn bad. Yes, I have lightsaber.
Okay. I'm scared. What if I do it wrong?
Don't worry. The more you worry, the more fucked it is.
I'm nervous, SpongeBob.
Oh my god! You just totaled my fucking car, you asshole! What the fuck is wrong with you?
See the rest of it, you pussy? I know that's not all the way through.
Yeah, you're good.
I want a groove before I full send it. I don't know about this part here.
Yeah, this is where it separates here, so just do whatever.
I don't want you to have to fix whenever I fuck up. That's a problem.
This whole thing is a fuck up. Like,
Yeah.
the fact that we have to do this is a fuck up.
Feel a little weird about this.
Why?
Never done it before. Battery died.
Oh no. We're right there too. Look at that.
You didn't need that.
Nope.
Watch out.
Nice catch, Spider-Man.
I'm the goat, tell you what.
Good work. Hey, here's what we're working with. Good job, good job. Look at that. You can see through the other side and out to the door of the garage. Damn, this side of the car is looking just as fucked up as the other one.
Not bad, actually, no.
No, but like it's missing, you know? Sam, you just totaled my goddamn car.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
What
I'm
the
just a girl.
What the f,
Oh my
bro?
god, I hit a curb and it just popped off.
Who's gonna pay for this?
Not me, I'm broke.
Me too, goddammit.
I got enough extra money to have my own project car, I'll tell you what. Second.
Hey, you heard that? No taking back skis. No taking back skis. This is what we got done. This is gone. This is grinded down a little bit. We're finding that it's kind of fucked up.
Other side's not as bad though.
Yeah, true. The other side is way better. Way better. I'm actually really happy about that. Looking at this side, it's pretty good. I don't see anything scary. Maybe a little bit right about there on that line. Maybe some seam sealer after sanding it down will be okay. You can check it from the inside too. It looks pretty damn good. Looks pretty damn good. I think that's where we're gonna leave it for now though, because we're pretty fucking hammered, and that was what we're gonna do in this video, is just record for one night until we get too drunk to keep going. And I don't really have the mental brain capacity to do the rest right now, so